Arbitrationagreements.org. Real estate, an arena where multiple interests collide, can often become a battlefield of disagreements. Whether it's landlords and tenants, buyers and sellers, or even neighbors, disputes are common. Enter real estate mediation, a conflict resolution method specifically tailored for such situations. Before we get started, please like this video, press the subscribe button, and tap the bell for notifications so you can keep up with crucial legal topics that can save your business a great deal of time and money. Real estate mediation provides an effective platform for open dialogue between the disputing parties, where a neutral third party called the mediator helps facilitate a mutually acceptable resolution. Unlike a judge in a lawsuit, the mediator doesn't dictate the outcome. They merely guide the process. According to a study conducted by the National Association of Realtors in 2021, over 70% of real estate disputes resolved through mediation ended in agreement. Quite impressive, wouldn't you say? So what makes mediation attractive? Primarily, it's the reduced cost and time. Court litigations can drain your resources and are notoriously slow. A Harvard Law School report noted that mediation, on average, can resolve disputes 50% faster than traditional litigation. Mediation also offers confidentiality. Whatever is said or revealed during mediation stays within that room. The process ensures privacy, a luxury not offered by public courtroom battles. Then, there's the flexibility. Mediation sessions can be scheduled at a convenient time and place for all parties involved, unlike court proceedings that operate on their own timeline. As per data from a recent study, 85% of all mediations result in a settlement. A key reason is control. In mediation, the disputing parties retain control over the process and the outcome. They can craft their own agreement, tailoring it to their specific needs and circumstances. Real estate mediation doesn't just solve problems. It can also preserve relationships, allowing parties to move forward without the residual bitterness that often accompanies court battles. So remember, real estate mediation can be a game changer in conflict resolution. It's faster, cheaper, more confidential, flexible, and allows for an outcome that satisfies everyone involved. Do you need more information about mediation for real estate or any other sector? If so, head on over to arbitrationagreements.org. That's where you can buy the service or program you need right away and begin the dispute resolution process quicker. Now, our association does not provide any legal advice, but give us a call if you or your business are considering opening a new account or case. Countless companies and individuals utilize our services to handle claims in a controlled manner through cost-effective solutions. If you're interested in doing that as a business, we are standing by. Successful companies depend on mediation to save money. You're paying one service per case instead of experiencing the uncontrolled expenses of a standard lawsuit. That's the key reason why mediation is so popular. Also, what do you think about real estate mediation? Does it seem like a potential solution to resolving a dispute? Give us your opinion by leaving a comment below. Don't forget to like the video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell for notifications so you can stay up to date about alternative dispute resolution processes that can save you time and money.